So, Dr. Fisher, you're about half an hour late. What are we doing here today?
What I thought we could do today is I need to have my therapy competency for psychoanalytic therapy. We just have to look at those parameters. Okay?
So were there any counter-transference or transference issues that you want me to pay attention to with this patient?
Yeah, I've got it queued up.
Black-throated green warbler. 1.
Okay.
2.
Are we set? Oh. Dr. Fisher, can you tell me what is this?
Well, I just brought in one of my bird tapes.
Oh.
Would you sign off on my therapy competency?
Well, you know, I understand that your husband has a golf membership. I might consider some reasonable trade.
You just need to sign right there.
But what am I going to put down for your therapeutic approach to the black-throated green warbler? That's the real question.